Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about the best motorcycle accident liars. If you are considering getting a motorcycle accident liar, you all want to make sure the alternate you chose is the right for you. Some alternate may be better suited for you the skills than other. Additionally, you want to cause one that will like a good fight and that you feel comfortable and confident with. Motorcycle accident claim experience. Motorcycle accident lawyers typically fall under the personal injury law category. This category encompasses a legal case where an individual experienced an injury due to under personal neglect. If you are searching for the best motorcycle accident lawyer, you want to ensure that the one you cause that extensive experience with motorcycle accident case. If you cause the personal injury lawyer, they might have to not have special experience with motorcycle accident, limiting their ability to help your case. Professionalism. Motorcyclists often have a reputation for being lightweight. However, your motorcycle accident lawyer should give up an aid of professionalism that can help you trust their law prestige and knowledge. Your motorcycle accident case is serious to you, and your attorney should address it seriously as well if you find that an attorney you are considering seems a little too casual or unprofessional. We recommend looking for another option. Convention, some personal injury attorneys are so close from their work that they lost any sense of compassion toward their clients. However, your motorcycle accident was probably so stressful and traumatic for you. And your attorneys thought offer endless little sympathy as you work to the challenge emotion involved. Compassion's attorney will go above and beyond to have you feel comfortable throughout your motorcycle accident case. They will also take on as much responsibility for your case as possible. Allow to you focus on recovering from your injury. You can typically land a word on attorney as completion by reading review and the testimonials from past clients. Meeting with a motorcycle accident attorney can also help your decipher their attitude towards your case. Adequate listen, adequate listens, a personal injury attorney need to option specific range research to operate in your state. As you search for an attorney, you should be concession to only works with one who has the proper license to practice in your area. You can typically find an alternate qualification on their website, often on the About Use page. If you have so trouble finding this information, be sure to ask during your initial consultation. Real experience. Not every personal injury attorney has experience bringing cases to trial. Often, attorneys are able to help clients settle the case out of court. As the other party for insurance company falls to negotiation, you may need to sue reference as what's compensation. As a result, it's the best to look for an attorney with industrial experience. This attorney knows the best ways to navigate out court case, present you advantage to do the judge and improve your chance of securing the level of compensation you want. Affordability, hearing about version of motorcycle accident attorney solve not break your budget. After all, one of the main reasons to hire an attorney is to help you resource the most compensation from your accident claim. Many accident attorney only charge you if they win your case for you. Either way, you should always be sure to clarify an attorney fees before hitting them. If you are looking for a motorcycle attorney that checks of all the pros, we can help other triggers the rocks with some of the best motorcycle accident lawyer in the industry. If you are considering hiring a motorcycle accident lawyer, you want to make sure that attorney you choose is the right for your needs. Some attorney may be better suited for your case than others. Additionally, you are going to choose the one that is like a good outfit and will judge where you comfortable and confident working with. Motorcycle accident lawyer typically fall under the of personal injury law category. This category consists of legal case where the individual experience and injury due to another personal negligence. As you are searching for you the best motorcycle accident lawyer, you are want to ensure that the one you chose was expensive experience with motorcycle accident case. If you chose a broad personal injury lawyer, they may have not have specialized experience with the motorcycle accident, limiting their ability to help your case. Motorcycles often have a reputation for being lightweight. However, your motorcycle accident lawyer should keep up an eye. A professionalist knowledge can help you further their practice and knowledge. Your motorcycle accident case is related to the you although your attorney can different seriously as well. If you find that attorney you are considering a little too casual or unprofessional, we recommend looking for the other option. Okay guys, this is first discussion about best motorcycle accident lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and see you next time.